Welcome to this presentation on multi-table load implementation in DataStage. If data loading were a sport, we'd be aiming for gold here. Multi-table loads help streamline massive data movement efficiently, saving time and resources. Traditional methods can be slow and error-prone. Nobody wants that. But with automation, DataStage becomes your best friend in managing structured data. So let's gear up to make data loading smarter, not harder. Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Before we dive deep, let's get to know DataStage, the architecture behind the magic. Think of it like the backbone of data integration, consisting of several key components. It's designed for parallel processing, meaning it works fast and efficiently. The transformation engine plays a crucial role in modifying data on the fly. And best of all, it scales like a dream. Let's explore how this powerhouse makes multi-table loads seamless. Now let's talk about the building blocks, source and target tables. Imagine trying to build a puzzle without knowing what the final picture looks like. Not ideal, right? Identifying tables correctly ensures smooth data flow. We need to preserve data integrity. Think of it like keeping your morning coffee unspoiled. And storage location matters. Choosing wisely saves processing time. Let's set up our tables for success. Errors in data processing are inevitable, just like bad Wi-Fi during an important meeting. But a structured approach makes troubleshooting easier. Centralized logging acts like a detective, catching issues before they escalate. Alerts ensure critical failures don't go unnoticed, saving your night from debugging marathons. And reviewing logs regularly helps refine the process because, let's be honest, there's always room for improvement. Handling large data loads isn't just about brute force, it's about smart strategy. Indexing and partitioning help slice and dice data efficiently. Optimized queries prevent unnecessary waiting, because no one likes staring at a loading screen. Parallel processing speeds things up, much like a well-coordinated relay race. And keeping an eye on resource usage ensures smooth operations, so you don't end up crashing the system. Automation is the secret to a stress-free data load, kind of like setting your coffee machine on a timer. Scheduling tools keep the process running without manual intervention. Managing dependencies ensures tables update in the right order, because chaos is the last thing you need. Validating data prevents surprises, and retry mechanisms ensure small hiccups don't turn into major setbacks. Data integrity is crucial. Imagine baking a cake but forgetting the sugar. Checksum and reconciliation ensure nothing is missing or mismatched. Completeness and consistency checks confirm the data is as expected. Automated validation rules reduce manual effort and increase reliability. And logging everything keeps a clear audit trail, because you never know when you'll need proof that everything was done right. Troubleshooting is like solving a mystery, except the culprit is always lurking in the logs. Recognizing failure patterns helps anticipate issues. Logs act as the investigator, revealing clues to the root cause. Testing fixes carefully prevents accidental disasters. And documenting solutions means next time, instead of panicking, you'll have a playbook ready to go. A well-designed schema sets the foundation for efficient data handling. Managing dependencies ensures smooth execution, like a well-orchestrated dance. Optimization makes scaling seamless, because one day your data load might be 10 times bigger. A continuous monitoring keeps performance in check, preventing surprise bottlenecks that could ruin your day. We've covered a lot, from error handling to optimization and automation. Now it's time to put these insights into action. Implementing best practices ensures smooth, scalable data loads. Proactively addressing challenges prevents firefighting down the road. And continuous learning keeps us ahead of the game, because in tech, stagnation is the real enemy. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.